Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, February 25th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4 trades possible in the room that we took. There were a couple more that we passed on, and we went over that in the room why. They both would have worked, but we had enough. So the first trade we had, we got short at 1930 short on a understanding trade, 8:42 Central Standard Time. That one worked out for up to 3 points. If anybody went to entry, they would have gotten taken out at entry on the runner. However, I told everybody we did have an RS coming up. Now what happened in here, I almost told people to either hold it or just get yourself stopped out, and we would get back in on your runner at entry. So we got in at 30, made up to 3 points on the trade. Any runner that would have came in that you didn't lock in profits, you would have had a break even on, or you were out with profits. And then we got back in here around 29. Around 30 again. We got back in around 30, 29.75. What happened was somebody told me that there was news. I didn't have any news on my screen. Somebody told me consumer confidence report was coming out. So immediately I was scrambling and looking. I just told everybody to get out of the trade because I didn't want to, I didn't want to take any chances. So some people made a tick or two. They got out of the trade. And then this candle closed here, waited for the next candle. I still was looking for my targets, 25.75 and then 22. Again, guys, these circles were here the whole time. The whole time these circles were here, okay? In fact, this circle was here before we got in the first trade. Once we got into this trade, I put my second target up there. 1928, I told everybody 1928, if it gets to 1928, go short. And we took it to 25.75 and then a 22. And 22 quarter, 22.50 for a 22 target, anywhere in this bubble here. And that was a beautiful, beautiful winning trade. Market came back up. We had an Splay 1926 quarter, took it up to 30 quarter, however long people could hang on, and that was a beautiful trade. Market kind of went sideways here. We almost took an RS here, but we didn't take it. At the end of the day, 11 o'clock, we had a ZL 3250 ZL. Okay, and most people got out. We closed the room. I told everybody they got a point, and if I told everybody if you want to stay in, go minus 1 point. You'll see nobody ever got stopped out here, and your targets were, and my lines right here, 30 and 28.50. So you'll see both those were hit, and then of course the market went back up. That was out, way into lunch, well after the room was closed. A point while the room was open officially, and then we closed. We closed about 6 or 7 minutes late. And then I told everybody if you want to stay in, go ahead. So minimum of a point, up longer on that. And that was another beautiful trade. We're going to come back again tomorrow and do it all over again. And until then, have a great and wonderful day.